Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm making one of my absolute favorite comfort foods, soft, fluffy homemade pho. And trust me, your kitchen is about to smell amazing. First, I sift together 1 kilogram of wheat flour and 12 grams of baking powder to keep everything light. Then in goes the salt, yeast, and castor sugar. Into the mixer it all goes. And while it's spinning away, I slowly pour in 600 milliliters of water so the dough doesn't freak out. Then add 20 grams of shortening for that beautiful softness. I start by mixing on slow speed for 5 minutes. This helps all the ingredients come together gently, then switch to fast speed for 10 minutes to build the gluten and make the dough elastic and smooth. When the mixing is done, I pull the dough up to show you how soft and stretchy it is. That's how you know it's ready and the gluten has formed nicely. After that, I take the dough out, oil the bowl, put it back in, cover it, and let it rest for 30 minutes so the yeast can work its magic and make the pho super fluffy. Then I give the dough a little massage. Cut it into cute 70-gram pieces. And roll them into smooth balls. I grease the paw pads with shortening so nothing sticks. Flatten each dough ball, pop in my favorite fillings, kaya or sweet grated coconut, both so good, seal them, round them again, and set them on their little pads. I let them relax in the steamer for 20 minutes for their second rise. Then steam for just 8 minutes. Once that's done, I switch off the heat, but leave them inside for another 6 minutes so they stay perfect and don't wrinkle. And that's it. Soft, warm, irresistible pho ready to eat. Don't blame me if you finish them all in one sitting.